Dear student, we are going to start a new lesson known as A Truly Beautiful Mind from book Beehive of class 9th. It is a very interesting chapter because it deals or tells about one of the greatest scientists of the 21st century and Nobel laureate known as Albert Einstein. So especially we are going to learn in 3 parts about Albert Einstein's childhood times, university and his personal life. So first of all, you know that Albert Einstein, he was a renowned scientist in this 21st century. That Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in a German city known as Ulm. That means by birth Albert Einstein was a German. During his childhood time, he was scientifically a genius man. But his mother found that he has a very big, large head. So, after 2.5 years, he started to speak, and moreover, he uttered everything. That means he used to repeat the same word twice, and much of the time he used to play since his childhood time. And he was also very fond of mechanical toys. That means Albert Einstein, he was very fond of mechanical toys. And most of the time he used to play by himself also. And during his childhood time also, when he went to the school also, once his headmaster told him that Albert Einstein will never succeed in his life. This is the statement given by his headmaster that he will never going to succeed in life. See how naughty he was, Albert Einstein was. Means during his childhood, we don't consider he was a genius boy or extraordinary genius boy. He learned to play violin also. At the early age of 6 years, he knows how to play violin and become violinist also. Moreover, Albert Einstein, he was a very good student also. While he was 15, his family moved to Munich. Munich means it is a city of the German, where Einstein has joined his high school. He scored good marks almost in every subject. No doubt, during his high school time, he was a very good student. He used to score a very good marks in almost every subject. But most of the time, sometimes he had a hot argument with the teachers related with some topic also. So now, these are the things that he learned in his childhood time. Now coming back to his university. Like physics, Albert Einstein was a highly gifted mathematician. At the age of 21 years, in 1920, he was graduated from the university and left without any job. Just consider, after the age of 21 years, when he was graduated from the university, he left without any job. And sometimes he worked as a part-time job or giving tuition or learning also. And in 1902, he worked as technical expert in the patent office in Berlin. And in 1905, in 1902, he was the technical expert in the patent office in Berlin. That means he got job. And 1905, he has written a special theory of relativity. And in that particular theory, he has described that time and distance are never absolute. And that was one of the most famous formula in the history of physics, that is equal E equal to mc square. That is relationship between mass and energy. And 1903, he got married with Minerva, and he has two sons. And he was divorced in 1990 with his wife. And again he married in 1999 with his cousin known as Eliza. In 1915, he published General Theory of Relativity, proof accurate eclipse of there was a solar eclipse in 1990. And in that particular 1990, that occurred a solar eclipse, and that solar eclipse proved that what is published in the General Theory of Relativity become true. Because of this, he was awarded Nobel Prize in 1921. 1921, he got the Nobel Prize in the physics. I hope that means it might be there in 1959. Yes. And what happened now? When he got Nobel Prize, Albert Einstein has just wrote a letter to the US President Roosevelt on 2nd August 1939 on the consequence of atom bombs. And moreover, the United States of America has dropped an atom bomb on the city of Nagasaki and Hiroshima. And after the devastated cause of the atom bomb, he feels very sad, and that means he feels very sad about the loss of life and property. Now, he was proposing a formation at the event to form a world government that will look after the world peace, but that does not happen. Because of that, the atom bomb broke here. And at the age of 76 years, in 1955, he left this beautiful place to the heaven. So this is somehow outline story of the Albert Einstein, one of the greatest physics in this 21st century. Especially in your books, some of the dates are given. It is very important. Some relations are there that is related to the physics. You must know there about his personal life also, when he got Nobel Prize, when his theory of relativity was published, when he got married, when he was divorced, and so from this only. So this is somehow one of the substance you can say that if you know this and if you learn once, it will become very easy for you to know these lessons. And this lesson is almost a very simple one, because if you are studying science, most of the things you have known from your science also. So with that we come to an end, and these lessons. Lastly, please, if you like, please share it also and subscribe also, and please don't forget to give your feedback that will improve me in the next video. Thank you.